charges of rebellion, sedition, and conspiracy. He was guided to his cell in Fort Santiago, where he spent his last 24 hours right after the conviction. It was at 6 a.m. of December 29, 1896, when Captain Rafael Dominguez read Jose Rizal's death sentence and declared that he will be shot at 7 a.m. of the next day in Bagong Bayan. At 8 p.m. of the same day, Jose Rizal had his last supper. He heard a mass at 3 in the morning of December 30, 1896, had confession before taking the Holy Communion, took his last breakfast at 5:30 a.m., and even had the time to write 2 letters, one for his family, while the other letter was for his brother Machado. This was also the time when his wife, Josephine Brackett, and his sister Josefa arrived and bade farewell to Rizal. A day before his execution, Dr. Jose Rizal was visited by his mother, Teodora Alonso, sisters Lucia, Josefa, Trinidad, Maria, and Narcisa, and 2 nephews. Rizal told Trinidad that there was something in the small alcohol stove that was given to Narcisa by the guard when they were about to board their carriage in the courtyard. At home, the Rizal ladies recovered a folded paper from the stove. On it was written an unsigned, untitled, and undated poem of 14 5-line stanzas, published it in the first issue of La Independencia on September 25, 1898, with the title, Ultimo Adios.
Mi último adiós. Adiós, patria donada, nación tan solo querida, perla del mar de oriente, nuestro perdido Edén. A darte voy alegre la triste luz mi vida, si fuera más brillante, más fresca, más florida, también por ti la diera por tu bien.
En campos de sandaling buhay maalam mong nais, kagalingan mo ng paiwang sulit ng kaluluwa kong gayak ng alis. Kinhaway kong mo, anong pagganyan. Nang maabat ika'y mapataas lamang, mamatay upang mabigyan kang buhay. Malibing sa lupang puspos ng kaligtad sa silong ng iyong langit ay mahimlay. Kung sa ibang araw, ikaw ay may mapansin-nipot na bulaklak sa bagong libing, sa gitna ng mga damong sinsin, pagkat ang haliko'y taos sa akin. Sa sangyon ng iyong pagsulyong tamis, mataos sa taghoy ng may sintang dibdib, bayang tumanggap ng uko ng init na nakakabunan ng lupang lamig. Bayaan mong ako'y malasin ng buwan sa liwanag niyang ilaw at malamang. Bayaan ihatid sa aking liwaywayang banaan niyang dagling na papan. Bayaan malik ang simoy ng hangin. Bayaan sa huling masaya't awitin ng daramang ibon sa krus ng libing ang buhay payapang panghinahalain. Bayaan ang araw ng araw na hinas, pawi ng ulan, gawing pawang ulam. Maging Panginuring sa langit umakyat at ang aking daing ay mapakilangkap.
Mayroong liham
sa bayang ang aking maagang pagpanaw, itangis ng isang lubos na nagmamahal. Kung may malala sa akin ang dasal, ako'y iyos sanang idalangin mo. Idalangin mo rin ang hindi nagkakayang na namamatay na yaong ng nahirap sa daming pasakit at ang lumalangap naming mga ina ng luhang masakit. Idalangin sampu ng bawat ulila at nakapipili ng higit ng busa. Dalangin mo rin ika'y matubos na sa pagkaabing lalong binabata. Kung nababalot na ang mga libingan ng sapot na itim ng gabi mapalaw at wala ng panig at hindi pa ang patayin, upang magkabalain ang katahimikan. Pagpitaganan mo ang hiwagang lihim at mapapakinggan ang piling marami ng isang salteryo. Ito ay ako rin inaawitan ka ng aking pag-ibig. Kung ang libingan ko ay tutanan ng dada, ay wala ng krus sa katawan ng dada, sa nagbubuhin o waya ay ang bumungkalit sa sawot ang ating lupa.
Ako yayaman na sa bayang mayaman na wala ang tutulong. Do'y hindi na tayo paniwala ang nagaganan. Diyos sa mga. gracia en el perdido. Gracias que descanse del Dios mío. Adiós, dulce extranjero. Mi amiga, mi enemigo. Adiós, no deseas morir. Es descansar.
Rizal was told to stand on a grassy lawn between two lampposts in the Bagumbayan field, looking towards the Manila Bay. He requested the firing squad commander to shoot him facing the firing squad, but was ordered to turn his back against the squad of Filipino soldiers of the Spanish Army. A backup force of regular Spanish Army troops were on standby to shoot the executioners should they fail to obey the orders of the commander.
Prepare! Apunte! ¡Fuego!
Jose Rizal's execution was carried out when the command "Fuego" was heard, and Rizal made an effort to face the firing squad, but his bullet-riddled body turned to the right and his face directed to the morning sun. Rizal exactly died at 7:03 a.m., and his last words before he died were those said by Jesus Christ, "Consumatum est," which means it is finished.
Viva